Aqua and I had an idea of creating an arpeggiator, something that you can imagine guitarists and pianists do this all the time, where you just strum up and down on arpeggio. Through those who aren't musically inclined, arpeggio is basic components of a chord, root, third, fifth, played over a series of octaves and back down. And so we came up with, my feeling is like one of the best ways of tactilely demonstrating arpeggio with the old-timey washboard, but we digitized it quite a bit. So how we made this is all conductive electrical tape, and then underneath it we have insulating so that the whole board isn't just one switch. And then we play it with a 5-volt spoon or a 5-volt glove. Then these buttons up here allow the notes, each ridge to correspond to different notes. So each time this first ridge is a low C. It's in MIDI, it's note number 60. And then depending on what button you press, it plays, each next note is a certain interval above it. So you can play a chromatic scale, which is every half step all the way up and down, 18 half steps. Or you can play a whole tone scale or diminished scale. We actually have 12 of them. We also have 2 buttons here that either raise or lower the pitch. So that's hooked up to the pitch bend. So you can, if you want to get a certain accidental that's not quite in your mode of playing, you can bend it up or down to a single pitch. And then we have 2 more timbral qualities. We have one here that allows you to change the starting pitch, the root pitch here, by an octave, and again by half steps. So you can tune it to, if you're playing the trumpet who happens to be a B flat instrument, you can go ahead and tune it so that you guys are playing the same key. And then we have one here controlling the release. So for a pianist, that would be more like a sustain pedal. What we've done here is actually created an extended keyboard. You can hit every note that a piano could hit. You can play almost anything a piano would play. So let's see if we can get a little demonstration going. I think Herbie Hancock would be impressed.